Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with DaVinci Resolve for color grading workflow, full guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Upon launching, you will see the Project Manager window. Click on the New Project button, enter a suitable name for your project and click Create. This will take you to the editing interface of DaVinci Resolve. Navigate to the Deliver page at the bottom of the screen. Ensure your video clips are imported into the media pool. Select the clips you wish to grade by dragging them onto the timeline. Switch to the Color page by clicking on the Color tab at the bottom. Familiarize yourself with the color grading interface, which includes the viewer, nodes, and color wheels. Begin by applying basic corrections using the primary wheels. Adjust the lift, gamma, and gain to enhance the overall image quality. Use the Curves tool to refine contrast and brightness levels. If needed, you can create additional nodes for more complex grading. To isolate specific color ranges, utilize the Qualifier tool. Make precise adjustments using the power windows to focus on certain areas. Monitor your adjustments carefully using the scopes on the right. Once satisfied with your grading, navigate back to the Deliver page. Choose your desired export settings, such as format and resolution. Name your final output file and select the destination folder. Click Add to Render Queue and then press Start Render. Once the render is complete, your graded video will be saved in the selected location. Close DaVinci Resolve and ensure to save any changes to your project if prompted. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.